Hello guys, good evening to all of you. I am Brajesh Kumar. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir, who has given us to discussing a very interesting topic, whose name is new education policy. In new education policy, first from our freedom country, first and foremost, he had changed in 1968. After that, again in education policy changed in 1986, and after that, finally he has changed in 2020. And in this education policy is prepared by Kasturi Ranjan committee, and Dr. Kasturi Ranjan is the director of that committee. And in this new education policy is based on 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. It means in first 5 year, which is called foundation stage. In this stage, this stage is divided into two parts. First 3 years and second 2 years. In first 3 years, children will go school for playing, and in this stage, they won't have to give any type of exam. Without giving exam, they passed first and second class. First and second class. After that, they enter the 3 years program, in which they enter from third class, and they completed third, 4 and 5 class. And I from before describing more points, I would like to give chance for our co-friend, which is very knowledgeable friend. Then among of them, then you want to then you can say.
Okay, actually, whatever I know about the new education system is quite good, but right now I'm very confused that is there any this system is very good. Actually, whenever we talk about the system, it means policy of the new education system is good. But what about the syllabus? Actually, I'm too much confused about the syllabus. That as we studies, most of the syllabus which are not relevant to our society or relevant to our country. Okay,
actually syllabus will be revised further, because in current scenario the syllabus is very poor and it is very old. There and in new education policy the syllabus will be revised.
There is need to change the syllabus of from class 6 to 10, because if you take the example of history subject, many history topics we have studied which is not relevant to our society. What is the importance of a French Revolution in our country? It is basically nothing in this era.
You can't neglect such things, because after knowing the after knowing the others history, we get many things. Yes. It means what? First and foremost, we will have to just study our history. After then, some of the things which are done on the
which are good. Those topics we should learn.
We have to
French
give
Revolution
more
is a very
importance to
interesting
the great emperor like Ashok, Shivaji, and Maharana Pratap, like those emperor, because they have given many much more thing to the society. How to live in a peaceful way, how to live in a cleanliness and a good society.
Yeah, I actually agree with you that they were contributing a lot to making our kingdom a very warriors and very great. Okay, but I'm also agree with this point that we will also study some of the foreign war or some of the foreign histories. Okay, that like the French revolutions, Russian revolutions. By just learning some of the foreign revolution and foreign history, we get some things, and we also get some of the point that what we have to not do in the future. Okay,
history is read only because we don't want to see those things happen in the future. That's why we read history.
It is basically,
we learn from our
basically
past.
We read study to rectify the problems which happened in many centuries ago, many decades ago.
But right now, actually, I'm opposed of the current education systems. Okay, actually, this systems was made by the foreign dictators. Okay, actually, these systems was fully prepared by the Lord Dalhousie, introduced by the Lord Dalhousie. When the Governor General of India was Lord Dalhousie, actually he introduced these systems.
This system of
Okay.
marking scheme.
Marking scheme and
Earlier
then-
marking schemes were not there. Many gurukuls were there. There
Yeah.
were approx 5,000 gurukuls
Yeah, and
before Britishers came.
and
to-
Actually, if we-
Dalhousie also introduced many of the chapters in which he put many of the foreign
Foreign-
chapters.
foreign
Okay. That was not
revolutionaries and-
that was not beneficial for us. Okay, but instead of it, we are just getting
Actually-
that education, and right now the fruits which we are okay. Actually, that's why we are not growing so much, or we are not aware about many of our great leaders. Story of behavior and bravery and their ideas.
Actually, if you discuss about the old education policy which happened during the period of 1700 or before that, we used to study in Gurukul, and in that period a student is so knowledgeable that if you asked in every topic, whether it is medical, civil, or any other topic, he
Yeah,
is so
that's what's good.
he's so confident that he will give answer at that time only. He also had the knowledge to how to give practical knowledge to other small kids.
Yeah, if we will
And
talk,
this should
if
be
we will talk
applicable,
about the
and this
Vedic
should be-
education,
and this should be applicable in new education policy, that how it can be enhanced in a more better way.
yeah, if you talk about the Vedic period education system, that was good. It means the Vedic education, ashram education, that was very good. Okay, but after that, when 1857, Lord Dalhousie introduced that system education policy. Actually, I'm not agree with such education systems. Okay, in that education system, that was basically made for the commercial purpose.
Do
Actually,
you know what is the problem of
They want
not-
different type of post in their companies and
Do
departments.
you know
Yeah.
That's
what's
why
the
they made that.
do you know what's the problem with Dalhousie education system? It forces students to learn in a parrotic way. If you want to pass any exam in a up till class 8, you have to study in a parrotic way so that you can pass a academic education, and it is very bad for a education system for those countries who is in a developing stage.
Yeah.
I would like to further elaborate the point about the new education policy which has been set up by our government of India, which has been done in the month of May 2019. Basically, this education will bring a drastic change in our education system. The old system, and I can say that in current scenario also we have a 10+2 system of education, and by implementing this new education policy, this system will be gone, and 5+3+3+4, this type of education system will come. In the first 5 years, that is known as the fundamental stage, it is further subdivided into two parts. Basically, it comprises of first of all the 3 years, that is known as
Rotary group.
pre-preparatory stage, and the second group is class 1 and 2. In pre-preparatory
1,
stage,
2 and 3.
one and two
One and
only,
two only.
only 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5 will be in the next
Next stage.
preparatory stage. I would like to tell about the pre-preparatory stage. Many children today have kids about 2 to 3 years, they have fear in their mind of not going to school. Though that type of fear will be gone after, if they will play in the kindergarten and go to school.
it means
About
the new
playing.
education system actually attracts the children
Yes.
to go
Going
forward
to
the
school.
education. Okay, but there isn't some demerits too.
Yes.
But do you know what is the demerit? Because I found many of the parents who have money to send their children to a school, but instead of it, they used to they force their children to do work to earn money. Okay, they don't want to send their children to a school.
Basically, it happens in a poor background family. It doesn't happen in a middle class.
But
family.
government provide many schemes. Government provide many facilities, like governments give many of money Okay, that if you are going to a school, you monthly or yearly you get some money. You also get free of cost books, at
Cycles.
uniforms,
Yeah.
cycles, everything. It means government provide every facility,
And
but
also did not forget about the midday meal.
yeah, midday meal. But instead of it, many of the children were not interested to going to school. So how the new education system it will affectable for such a guy?
I think that the new education policy will also decrease the burden of a small kid, because many a times we have seen that they carry a lot of books and copy in their
Yes.
bag, which is unnecessary to that day. And due to that reason, those kids faces a back problem, back pain, and like that.
From the early stages.
And,
Actually-
new education policy will decrease
Actually, my-
decrease the weight of a bag, and due to that reason, many more toddlers will like to go to the school.
Schools.
But what about the such parents who were not agree even after such a facility they were not sending their children to a school? Then what are the extra thing in the new education policy that they agree and they convinced to send their children to a school?
Look, this type of situation will not be properly solved immediately. This will take time. Okay.
Okay, because I consider
Because
I consider
poverty-
this problem in a
because-
it is a very
Yes, yes.
huge problem. It's
Because
not a-
poverty can't go in a single day. It
Okay.
will take several years to go.
Also must
That is the
aware,
case of
aware their
poverty.
parents to child labor against that child labor is against our government to give aware to their parents.
But I'm agree with you. But actually, the parents they force their children to work with them in their own field. So what?
Actually,
But in this
the-
condition, maybe they have some
Actually,
compulsion
the-
for
Like-
encouraging the doing work this type
Actually,
of.
if we discuss the mental state of a poor background parents, they think that if they work, if their kids will work with them, then they will get the overall
Much more money.
overall education of their things,
That kind of job.
of a practical knowledge.
Practical knowledge,
Of-
that job. they
and
are doing.
according to them, practical knowledge is
It
more
means,
important than
about their
theoretical
professions.
knowledge. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
If just take the example, if a person is working in a roadside in a tea stall, and then they force their kids also to work with them, and then basically it happens due to the greediness to earn more money.
So it means that
Or-
in new education policy there is nothing extra that attracts such a children to
Yes, yes.
go to a school.
There is there will be an amendment made by the government. In today the age of literacy of basically
7 to 14 years.
yes 6 to 14 years.
6 to 14
It is 6 to
years,
14
yeah.
years, but the government will revise it and it will change to 3 to 18 years
3 to 18
in
years.
the new
That's
education
good.
policy.
Yeah.
That is the good point about
So
it.
more years, students will get more years to get knowledgeable.
Hmm.
And I would like to add some further point in regarding new education policy. After completing 5 years program, they will enter 3 years program. In this 3 years program,
It is the called as a middle stage.
no middle
Yeah,
preparatory stage,
preparatory
preparatory
stage.
stage.
Yes, preparatory
And
stage.
from
After
here
fifth stage.
from here they will have to give exam, and they will
In this preparatory stage,
Yes,
they will learn about regional languages.
regional
And
language.
also
yeah.
from class 6, their vocational
Training.
vocational
training
practical
also.
training will
Yes,
be
commence.
will be begun, and they will also get the knowledge of coding like things, and if a student will be,
That thing will also not be
will-
compulsory. Those
who want to
It's
Those
depend
who
upon
want
the
to-
student choice.
those who
yeah.
are interested, those
Yes.
who are interested
coding,
in
coding is particularly that government will make compulsory.
no
Coding. But the vocational training
According-
like sewing,
Teacher-
Gardening,
and
work.
gardening,
Yeah.
carpentry, and home science. These things will depend upon their choices.
Yes, yeah.
teacher will analyze that who is the in their class who is those kid who is interested in coding, and they will separate those kid from others, and they will get knowledge.
Coding will be there. Coding will be for
So
everyone.
it is
I-
compulsory.
Yes, coding is
Actually,
compulsory.
I think so. I
So
think
because-
don't you feel that it will increase burden to those kids
No,
who is not interested in that subject?
It will not create burden, because see, up to class 8 only it will be there. After class 8,
After class
when
8.
when they will passed out to class 8, and in the starting of class 9, they will have a choice to select their
Yes,
subjects.
The
Different
interested
subjects.
student can
Yes.
opt those subjects.
Yes,
Yeah.
and the hard choice system, like today we have the choice of science, commerce, and arts. These things will be removed.
So,
permanently.
so you wanna say that
And student can mix up the subject and take different
yes.
subjects.
So you
different
you
tastes.
wanna say that a student who is interested in chemistry and physics, he can also opt economics and
Yes,
other
Yeah,
subjects.
yeah.
As he
It
likes
means
economics,
stream
he can-
totally.
Or he can
finished.
also opt business studies subject
Yes.
with
Yeah.
physics and
If he had-
chemistry.
if
But
that-
don't you feel that it will create a hodgepodge situation, and if you wanna show your resume to multinational company, it will create a hindrance at that time?
no, I think so.
No.
For every certificate, for every course which the children is going to be select, for that he or she get the certificate for particular year. Okay, so it means the HR, it means the interviewer, I think never confused to while the selecting process.
So if a MNC company is not don't want any student, their minimum requirement is to that a person should be a good, his speaking skills is good, and also his practical knowledge is good. And what is the need of to those MNC company, if those kids have a knowledge about home science or any other subject like that?
There is not only MNC company are present for only IT sectors. Okay, there are lots of company for making other utensils. It means what?
Yes.
For every profession there is there are lots of multi company are available for various tasks. Okay, it means every
Have you gone to a pharmacy shop? Those everybody has not registered about the pharmacy shop. Because
Only the farmers are allowed to
Farmers?
not all person.
it's all about the medical.
Not all.
Pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Not all
Sorry.
persons are allowed to open their medical shops.
Only
Because they don't have a degree of pharmacy.
Yes, sir.
Only a pharmaceutical person can open.
You need a
So-
practical and also a degree to
Yes.
get those
To start up
schools open.
the own business, that person should have their own degree. So for that they can start that
Okay.
business.
And when any students pass the 10th exam, then the 12th exam, then enter the graduation. In graduation 5-year program, when any student completed their first year class, then they will get a degree.
Not 5 years, 4 years.
4 years,
4 years.
yeah, 4 years. And when they completed their first year, then they will get a certificate, simple certificate. And after that, when any student completed their second year, then in this condition they will get a diploma in graduation. And when any student completed their 3-year program, then they will get degree in bachelor degree. And after that, from here completing their 3-year program, then they will go to preparing any type of competitive exam.
They will also get in the
One
fourth
more
year
bachelor and
bachelor
bachelor
degree with
research
research.
Yeah,
Research.
research 4-year program. And when after completing 4-year program,
You can do-
any student want to get PG, then they will have to completed only 1 year.
Yeah.
Yeah, and any student
That thing also is a criteria. PG for completing 1 year.
yeah, who person
For 1 year,
completed first 4 year, then they will have to spend only 1 year.
1 year.
And who person completed 3 years program, then here they will have to spend 2 years.
2 years.
I wanna add one more point in this. If a student will leave after 1 year or 2 year, if those students will get a particular point, and this will work to add more points if he interested in another course. If he is if a student is doing just take the example MSc, and after 1 year he thought that no, I am not. He is not interested in that particular subject. If you take the example, after 1 year, if he not interested in that particular course, then he can opt out, and he can join another course, and on joining another course he will get the specific point which he achieved in that previous course, and it also act as a increasing more points on the present course, and it will and these points will also work in a financial way. If he join another course, and basically on joining another course, fee will be
Reduced.
fee will be reduced in that course, and this is the
If that particular person has got good points, then
not only good point, he can achieve any some points after the completion of 1 year or 2 year, and it is one of the good points of new education policy.
I have a question. I think that you all were under the over excitement of the new education policy. I think you were just going to forget something that about the
No, we are not over
Yes, he is telling you.
excited. We have just seen what we have
what new reforms
what
and
we
schemes
have
will be
about to
made?
show by media, and
so
also
my question is that you just forgotten about the faculty. It means the faculty system in the government schools. Okay, because the most of the actually we find every day that most of the teachers faculty of government schools, they're not aware about the many things. Actually they were just getting their job by doing the wrong deeds. Okay, so what about the such things?
About the new faculties.
Yeah,
yes, it will
actually government is not going to fulfill the need of the teachers in the schools, government schools. So actually these problems is still now it is not solved. I think from last 5 years I found not 5 years, from last decades I found such problems that government is not going to fulfill the needs of the teachers. Then how can this problem, it means
is
the new education policy is going to be
it is some of
discussed.
the drawbacks of new education policy, because if we wanna implement this new education policy in a good way, then there should be a need that those teachers who want to teach students, then there is a need that those teachers should be knowledgeable in both way, in a theoretical
It
way,
means
in a
government is
practical
not,
way.
it means government should it means what, to send their home such a teacher who is
No.
not eligible for.
No, they should be given a
Skill.
they should be
They get
given
skill
a
and
knowledge
policy.
by
They will-
creating
Actually
seminar.
my question is that till till the last
They should
till
be
the last
they
decade.
should be educated in this way that they will be
Actually-
they will get knowledge
Actually,
through.
my question is that the new education system is
Yes.
knocking the door.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, knocking the door. Okay, and till now, from
Teachers are not aware.
Till teachers are not aware, and teachers, the vacancy of teachers is not fulfilled in the government schools. So I think so there is this act as a barrier in the new education
First
policy.
of all, this situation, what you are telling, is slow about the employment of the teachers.
Yeah.
This will happen slowly.
Okay.
But the current teachers which are working in the schools,
Up till-
they are getting seminars about the new education policy,
From-
and they are also learning about
from
the new education
2030
policy, because
from-
they have to face
from
in the
2030
upcoming years, which will
from
be around 2023.
Do you know, in if you talk about the Jharkhand government, I found that there are lack of teachers about 1 lakh to
There
150
is a
lakh.
lack of
It
teachers
means-
also, and the teachers which are in the government schools,
It means
they have a
government
lack
is
of
not,
skill
it
also.
means government is not going to focus on the vacancy of the teachers, then how it can be possible that the new education policy is just implemented in a good manner? I think it act as a barrier in the new education policy. So I think government should first and foremost, government should make it the vacancy in the very good manner. After when the teachers were not present, how it can be possible that it will be implemented in a good manner? Okay, I think so. The government should think about the vacancies and the systems which of regulating of teachers is.
And there should be a regular examination of teachers should be conducted, so that their skills should be checked. Is he or her is fully developed, fully skilled, fully
You are
Ask
telling
your teacher.
you are
fully
telling
equipped with
Yes,
skill
yes.
and knowledge, or he is in from the upper knowledge.
After the implementation of 2020 new education policy, after on 2022, every sector that a teacher get TET exam and CTET exam. After they crack, they will get a job. With after that, they also check their knowledge and skill. They are aware with technology or not. After that, they get on government sector. From 2022. After
From
the implementation
2000
of
from 2030 onwards, it is compulsory for every student to, for every teachers to have a
Knowledge about the new education.
for every student that for every teachers that he is knowledgeable up till the 4th year of B.Ed.
I would like to further tell about the new education
B.Ed is
policy.
not compulsory. Okay, above the B.Ed, you will have to if you want to.
It is the minimum requirement.
No.
It is the minimum requirement
If
of
you want
teachers.
to,
B.Ed के बारे में.
if you want to be work as a teacher, you will have to just crack one of the exam that is called CTET.
CTET.
Okay,
No.
it is compulsory.
But from 2030 onwards, it will not be compulsory, and the minimum requirement is 4th year of B.Ed.
No.
It is
Actually,
compulsory.
it is compulsory.
But
It is
CTET
launched
is-
last years. CTET is just launched as a compulsory last year. Okay, CTET. If you want to be a teacher and worked under the guidance of government or under the government, it means you want to be a government teacher or a private teacher. It doesn't matter. You will have to just qualify the
CTET
CTET examinations. After that, you are eligible.
I would like to further tell about the new education policy, that in this policy a very great significance change has come. In today the board system, actually the 10th board or 12th board, that happens only one time, once in a year. That creates a psychological problem in the
Psychological
student's
pressure.
mind. Yeah.
in the student's mind. But that thing can be diminished by implementing new education policy.
It will be
comprised of 2 semesters.
It will also present at that time at new education policy.
And the level of examination will also be there. For
No, I think so. I think this load can reduce at that in the new education system, because in under the 6 month, okay, a student have chance to prepare for the examinations. If any students get the bad marks in that examination, he will may practice for the next 6 years.
Yes.
Okay, and he get the good marks.
In the formation of result.
And there is a chance of getting good marks is that there is a fixed syllabus.
And
Okay.
there will also be a level based examination for a particular student, like he doesn't want to be an engineer or doctor, he want to do a different job, then he would select a low level mathematics, say
The
low-level exam.
Fundamental
And-
mathematics
and,
are the-
and will
the
give
form-
the exam of that, and he will get the marks and pass.
The formation of report card will also going to change because in all education policy we have seen that all students have to rely upon teachers to get a good marks. If he cleared his examination properly, then he will rely upon teachers. But it will not happen in new education policy. All classmates and colleague will help in formation of report card, and also with the self analysis. The student will know whether he is fully aware about all the topics which he studied in a specific year, and from that thing a report card will be made, and this
Okay.
will be it will create a new innovation in a new education policy.
It means
Okay.
what?
And
As
student
per
will
you,
also student will also can say about the other student, and they will also give the marks
Yes, yes.
about
And in
co-curricular
this policy,
activities.
Co-curricular points will be given.
Points.
okay, and in this policy, it has been said that the 6% of GDP money invested in this policy, and in present time only 3% is invested of money. It means the double of the amount of money. It is very good for all government school. And in this policy also it has been said that the government has decided the fee of private schools, and they first and foremost they will divided in their
Yes,
category
that point
according
is
to
very
their,
good, because-
their
Yes,
facility.
because every
their
year-
facility, yeah.
because every
And,
year
and in
private
this
schools
policy
increase
they
their
are
fees.
not able to give, they are not able to take arbitrary, and in this policy the parents are feeling good because in present time they are do very arbitrary, and yearly by yearly they increase the fee.
In today era, the best assets we can, the best assets in which we can invest is education. If we put more investment in education, then it will automatically create new resources and valuable resources to the country. And if we talk about the drawbacks of a new education policy, there are many more. Just like it will create a mental state that in every student's mind that there is something in their mind that he can leave their education after
Those type-
after 12th
Those type of
in any
thinking
year.
is basically will be on those type of students who don't want to study. If
So
there are
it
many
will,
students,
so,
they
so
want
it
to
will
study.
so it will create a problem to new education policy.
That will not create problem in the new education policy. Those children will create their problem in themselves, because the studious student can he or she will continue.
okay, don't you think about the such a students who are belong from the poverty lines? Okay, it means the poors. Okay, if you talk about them, okay, they were just belong from the poor society. Even they don't have a house or shelter for living. Okay, and they don't have so much of money for the eating purpose at their home. Actually, I'm talking about their home. Okay, so how can you how this new policy which encourage the parents and the students to go to a school?
These things has been regulated
This will
by
be
our prime minister.
these problems will be curbed by government, because in new education policy government will also give a new facility to those students,
facilities and
new
new equipment.
facility
Do you
to
know?
those
Do
students.
you know? From the
who-
last decades,
who is
I found.
interested
Do you
in
know? From the last
education.
decades, I found many of the amendments related to the education. Okay,
But it
and
is
many.
not. But it is not implemented.
So-
it is in paper
So
form
how
only.
can we believe that this implement and these systems is maybe implemented in a good manner?
That what
As we found many of the decades that government promise about the many things. Government promise about the midday meal, and government also did the same things. But do you think the mentality of the poor, actually they don't have money to eat, they don't have money to wear. Okay, actually only because of educations they don't have such a mentality that after they don't have to eat food, they send their students, their child to schools. Okay, in schools government provide many facilities like food facility, midday meal. Okay, their dress, their shoe, their books and copies.
Those facilities will be enhanced in the new education policy first.
That what I wanna say in if we see say about drawbacks of a new education policy. If we want to see what a new education will what fruits will give a new education policy, then we will have to wait for 15 years. Then only we will see the product.
But we will have to also think about the small plants. It means if we ignore such plants, they were just going to be destroyed.
And after a few years,
There
the amendment will be
always some kind
going
of
to happen.
plants. Not all the plants will be get affected by the new education policy.
Yeah, but many of the
There are many parents and people, the poor people,
but as
they will not send.
but I know many
There are
of
many
but I
mentalities.
know personally many of the students who are belong from the slum areas actually only because of the condition of their locality and the situation of their locality, only because of the situations of their locality they can't able to go to a school, or they can't even they want, okay, they not able to continue their study.
If we discuss about a new education policy drawbacks, then up till class 5 it is not compulsory for every student that he will be educated from English language only. They have the option that they will be educated from their regional language.
English
only.
language is not act as a barrier, okay.
But
In this modern era, but
but-
my best friend, I want to make you understand that English is not act as a barrier in the new modern policy, because in this modern era, every children who was just belong from his girl or boy, it never matter. All the children wants to learn English.
Yes.
Okay, so it doesn't work react as worked as a barrier in the new education systems.
English is very important in the society because
It creates a link between
creates a link.
other states people.
Because-
So I don't think that it's worked as a barrier in the new education
because
system.
in Kerala there is a language spoken is Malayalam. In Tamil Nadu, Tamil is spoken. In different states,
They will not
different
able to
languages
communicate
are
with each
spoken.
other if
So English is very good and very
It is the demand.
beneficial
Simple
knowledge.
in simple language,
Yes.
it is the demand of
Demanding
the
knowledge.
modern era.
Yes.
Okay, so that we will have to just focus.
MNCs and other top companies of the world, they also demand the English language.
Okay.
Because-
And do you
and
know
there is
in the future times, many of the MNCs companies were going to settle in India, and for work with them, we will have to just knowledgeable about the English spoken.
if you
Not about the regional language.
If we
Yeah.
want to see India a developed
But
country,
in-
then there
but in-
should be a particular language
Yes.
which every citizen have to follow.
Friend, it can't be possible because
It can't
we
be
are
possible,
living in a
yes.
secular country, and it has a great diversity. Do you know?
Yes.
We have the great diversity,
diversity.
and no any
English
particular
is creating
religion
that
is
medium.
going to accept other spoken
No, I'm
language.
not saying that you should accept other regional language. I'm talking that we should accept English as a medium to create a link for other states
Okay,
people.
if you
as a medium it can be accepted, but
And then
for
only-
for the own purpose they will not accept.
Do you know?
A particular state
Do you know?
it will never accept
English
language.
and Hindi till now, Hindi is till now Hindi and
Not
Sanskrit
considered.
is not considered as the
National language.
national language. It is under the official language.
Yes.
There are 22 languages which are put by the constitution as a scheduled language. Okay.
In the union also
If-
there are many articles that we should improve the Hindi language, and Hindi language is the union language, and Hindi language should be taught everywhere in every state. But these things
many
are
of
not
the
implemented.
but many of the states were not going to taught Hindi subjects.
If
Yes.
it-
Okay, if we
There
talk
is
about
a-
the Gujarat,
There is a particular article for that also, that if a particular state want to teach their own regional language, they can teach that language.
If we talk-
that's why Gujarat and
Yes.
Tamil Nadu's
Tamil.
government were doing.
If we talk about developed country education system like of China, they only focus on their positive aspect. If any student who has a plus point in engineering or a civil topic, then he is a full. Then their parents and also teachers allowed those students to fully focus on their plus points, and they are not allowed by their teachers and also by their parents to focus on unnecessary other topics like that, and it is creating more new resources and valuable resources to those developed country.
What do you know?
Okay.
China
In
is
this
the
policy, it has been said that now top 50 university can come in India for opening their branch.
Yes.
From it,
educational university.
yeah, educational top 50 educational university. from it they without going any other country
do
they
you
can
mean-
get higher
Due
education
to
in
this
India.
reason,
I want to-
migration will
He had
going to
told-
be less.
He had told that point about many foreign
Top
universities will
university,
come in our country, but it has a negative drawback also regarding the education.
But it
It can hamper our national education policy
Yes,
because
yes.
they have their own foreign
They will only
policy,
discuss about
their own culture.
their syllabus of those country only.
Yes.
They will not
But
going to
they-
implement
This-
but
India.
they will
this
have to just
particular
follow
thing
the
I
Indian
reject.
syllabus, no?
Why will they follow? Because they are coming
No,
from
they are-
foreign country.
Go-
They will have to,
There
they
are
will
lots
have to
of
just follow the
terms and
Indian
conditions
rules and
also,
regulations.
they will have
Government
to
has
follow.
allowed the Cambridge, like university like Cambridge and many
Oxford.
Cambridge, Oxford,
University.
But
So they
but
will-
you know there is
they
a
will follow
positive
their own syllabus.
aspect too. What is the positive aspect of the
It has
such a-
Migration will be
First,
going
listen.
to be less.
yeah decreased
Yeah,
and
decreased.
one employment is also increased.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And many a
It
times.
will increase, but it has many drawbacks. Of I am telling, look, by coming those universities in our country, what will happen? They will exploit our language and culture and the education system. And another thing is that the student will try to get admission on those universities. Those universities have very high demanding fees, so that they have to get the loan from the bank, and
But-
that will
but-
create a burden in the bank also.
So
But in
according,
present
so
time
according to
also
your
lots of
opinion, you want to
students-
say that they directly or indirectly they destroy our culture.
According to
They
me,
affect
Yes.
our culture.
Yes.
According
But
to
for
me-
your kind information, I want to make you clear that from if you saw from the last some centuries, many of the foreign dictators were just attacked on India. Okay, after such decades, we can't able to forget our culture. Okay,
You haven't looked about in your localities how Western culture is now enhancing day by day
yeah.
in our era.
Yeah, it's good, but instead of it, we are not going to forget the Chhat Puja.
Yes,
Okay, the
those,
culture of-
those things, those festivals is.
So I don't
another
think
things.
after the coming of the new many of the educational universities in India that will be effective for us.
But that I had told that particular point of that the fees of that universities will be high, so student have to get loan,
According-
and that
according to
burden will
me-
fall on the bank.
according to me,
Bank.
this will not create hindrance because if we talk about their high fee, then there will be a scheme that government will create or launch a scheme in which they will provide subsidy to
Government
the
is government is also providing many of the subsidy of
Government will
education.
provide
Yes, yes.
subsidies and
due
low cost
to
for-
that
for-
reason, fee
for
will be
the-
decreased for a middle class family.
for government will provide subsidy and low cost for the national universities and the colleges which are affiliated to the national our country.
Such types of things is not written in our constitution. That if you want to take the education loan that and you are going to study in which university, such a law is, I think it is not
Such a
written
law
in
is
our
not
constitution.
I
implemented.
am not telling about the law. I am telling that what I am telling.
Government is never forced that you will have to just study in the Indian institution.
I am
Okay.
not telling about that. The government will force if the fees of the government colleges and the like NITs and IITs, those have very less fees regarding with respect to that
You
foreign
also
universities.
have to compare both of the universities which belong from the
Yes,
government
yes.
and the Cambridge.
And government
And their quality.
Government
Their
provides the
education
subsidies.
quality is very much.
But who person goes to take higher education in foreign? They are able to, then they are go to.
Yes.
But
If they are
but in
capable, then
India,
they will,
Capable and they also should have a good amount of money. Then
Yeah.
they will pursue.
But then think
There
about
are-
that
for-
person
for
without
that-
without going other country,
If,
they can get
if they are-
same study in our India. It is
Yes,
good for a
yes.
student.
Yes, but the
Capability-
amount of fees will be higher.
Capability
And
doesn't
that will somehow create the burden.
Capability
Okay.
doesn't come in
in
this.
the present time, the students who wants to take wants to get educations from the foreign institutions. The person who have lots of money and the person who are
Those-
capable to send
Yes.
their children for the getting knowledge in the
Cambridge.
Cambridge or other universities, So that person are capable who are
Yes,
likely to
those-
send their
Those
children
are capable,
Capable.
not the middle class.
in the
ones are-
in the same in India is the same work, but the money which we going to send along with our children to the foreign, that will be
I am basically trying to say that the amount of loan will be increased because the universities are open in India only, and many students will try to go to that foreign.
that's
Yes.
good. That's good because
So that amount of loan will increase.
so government provides subsidy on that.
Today, in current scenario, about approx 100 students go to China or UK for study.
Okay.
When
And
for,
when the university will open in our country, approx 500 to 600 or 1000 students will go. Then
When
the
foreign-
loan will generate high or not?
When
It will
foreign,
generate high.
Yeah, it is good. Do you know how can they open their branch? From opening their branch, they will have to pay
Some
50
money.
crore security money.
Yes.
Okay, then after that they can open their branch. From this security money, they can give loan easily for those students.
And
who want
foreign-
to
when
get-
foreign country-
one more advantage is that
Government should also take high amount of tax from those foreign universities.
That's
then
good.
Then it will be work properly.
yeah, that's
when
good.
foreign company will going to foreign university will going to come in this country, then there will also a competition will happen both
From the universities.
from a particular university or many university, that if those university is giving that quality of education, then it is our duty that we should also adopt this their education quality. If they don't accept that education quality, then their students will going to admit on those types of university, and it
If
will
you- if
create
you-
a competition between every university.
If you talk about the employment, it also rises some employment.
Yes.
Okay, to managing the universities, such
Yes, yes.
universities. It means it will be beneficial for
And
our
it-
country.
It will create many
And in
vacancies, jobs.
and if foreign university is coming in India, then it will also create a job opportunity for Indian citizen also, because there is a need for teachers requirement in those those
But this,
Not only about the teachers,
But,
the,
and
all
also
the,
professors.
yeah, professors
But-
and other staffs.
but currently there are not,
And it will create
not
job
any college
opportunity.
in our country. Of foreign university branches, there are
Not going to
Not-
accept.
in today there are no any foreign universities branch like Cambridge or Oxford universities branch in our country.
Oxford
But,
schools Oxford schools are present in Ranchi nowadays also.
schools are present. I'm telling about the colleges.
Colleges are not present,
Not
but
present. But in upcoming years, this
Actually,
They
that
can come.
that Oxford College is not registered or affiliated with that Oxford
It is
college.
affiliated
Yes,
with
yes.
CBSE.
Yeah, it means
it has
means,
only a name of Oxford.
yeah.
Yes.
Same thing I want
Yes.
to make you understand.
But they are accepting the education quality of those country also.
But they were not able to providing such a facility.
Facilities.
Like the Cambridge and the Oxford
The
University.
service they are not providing like that.
Okay.
Okay, at
And-
last I want to say about the new education policies that it has many benefits and it has many merits and demerits also. So in the upcoming 20 years we will see how this new education policy will be implemented and how it gives us the result in the upcoming years.
Okay. And in this policy, it is focused on vocational training, and it is very good for a student when any student want to get a proper area. Then from childhood and from their sixth standard, they can get more information about that related area.
It will also create a competition of many schools and university also, and due to that reason the education quality will going to enhance in upcoming years.
I think so. By the with the help of new education systems, I think so. Many of the students who don't want earlier to go to a school, but I think so they also want to go a school. It means the new education system encourages the parents as well as the children too.
The new education policy main aim to transfer of India from knowledge to superior.
If you like this video and if you want to see more interested videos regarding these types of topic, then don't follow to subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment. And if you and don't forget to switch on the press the bell icon. And
if you will have any types of question regarding this topic, just put your question under the comment box. Thanks.